Hey Pay Per Callers, I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba, the premier call tracking platform for pay per call marketers. In this video, we're going to continue to look at some best practices for pay per call IVRs. Whisper messages are heard by the buyer before the caller is transferred to them. When selling calls, you can reinforce the value you drive to your buyer with each call by adding a short message that says that you were responsible for generating the phone call. For your buyer or someone receiving the calls, you can provide instant context of who might be on the other side of the phone by including information about the lead, source, keyword, and more. Use a voiceover artist that appeals to your target audience. In part 1, we talked about the importance of using a professional voiceover artist for your IVRs, but the biggest thing with voiceover artists is making sure that they're relatable to your target audience. For instance, if you're targeting somebody over 65, you should probably use a voiceover artist that is also over 65. If you're selling to women, use a male actor. If you're selling to men, use a female actor. The style of speaking also matters. If you're running a campaign in a particular region, you'll want those potential customers to hear a familiar accent. These details will lead to more conversions because customer comfort matters. Choose voiceover artists that reflect your target audience and that they will relate to. With Ringba's Instant Caller profile, you can instantly enrich your call flows with hundreds of data points about your caller to make real-time routing decisions and send calls to the buyer with the highest probability of closing a sale, all inside your IVR. For instance, instead of asking your caller to enter in their zip code, Ringba can provide it instead without the caller having to type it into their phone. This leads to a better customer experience and a drastically higher conversion rate. The data you get from Instant Caller Profile goes even further than predictive routing. Ringba gives you the ability to use your data to build custom audiences, segment your callers into demographic groups, predict call outcomes before they happen, and create conversion opportunities like never before. Split testing and experimenting to get the best results is a crucial skill for media buyers. For pay per callers, this means testing your IVRs using different voiceovers, scripts, genders, artists, tones, menu options, and so much more. Test everything and analyze the results in Ringba's reporting to make data-driven decisions for optimizing your pay-per-call campaigns. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.